Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we can see over here is a bearish trend, very different from euro dollar. So I've stressed it many of times, for all those more experienced traders or traders has been around for quite some time. You might see euro dollar and pound dollar pretty similar, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar pretty similar, but I'll urge you to really trade all these products individually. If you started new, it's not an issue, but if you have been trading for quite some time, then the concept of correlation might be ingrained in you. And for me, it has been trading for 17 years. I do know that I have to trade it separately, but I still fall back to the subconscious, remembering the good old days where they are all correlated and how we can use it as a hedging or choose one but not engage both. The rules have changed. I have to really say it. I might just create a video to talk about this on my Instagram, so be sure you follow me on Instagram. Just look for Rainlim, RAYNLIM. Alright, let's get going over here. Bearish movement on the pound dollar. 4-hour chart is definitely bearish as well, which give us a good opportunity for an engagement. If you manage to spot it, scan this QR code. That will be in our what you call the Telegram. Alright, and you can just pick any post that you can click the leave comment segment. That is when you will be invited to join another group where you can start to share. Just be reminded, it's zero tolerance for spamming and zero tolerance for advertising and stuff like that. So if anyone caught doing that, you'll be banned right away. All right, so I've said that. So what I wanted to do is to share what you have seen over here, especially if you're a harmonic pattern trader. Reminded, no promotion, no advertising and stuff like that. And once you did that, once you have done with that, then that could be something that you can look into, and see if you got the same answer or analysis as us. And if you have different, it's fine. You can see what we have in difference and do your own analysis, and don't just throw your analysis away. Understand, did you do it wrong, or is it just a different perspective? If different perspective, that's fine. If you did it wrong, then you will need proper education. If you like our style, drop us a note and we'll see if you're a good fit. All right, so 1 hour chart, this is what we have, and potentially there is also another harmonic pattern setup. Likewise, if you spotted it, just scan the QR code and share it with us. All right, so what you do, once you scan this QR code, it'll bring you to the Telegram channel, and at the top of the channel, if you click the link, it'll bring you to our student sites. We might do some changes to this because we no longer require this chat room, since we have point everything to our chat room directly. I find that's the best way. And if you scroll down further, you can even start learning how to trade for free. All right, and right now we have changed our name of the course content as well as our URL. So take note, if you have bookmarked it, the old link might not work. All right, and the reason why we changed the course name, it will be even more straightforward for you to know where to go to. And if you're our students, this is the first training you should go to before jumping around. All right, and if you scroll down further, this is what we have as well. So over here, you can see how we actually develop our trading ideas, and over here in our community is not encouraging you to follow blindly. However, is for you to really look into our thought process and and understand what we have and planning of stuff. These are things that's not so sexy in trading, but it will give you a longer mileage in this industry. All right, so let's head back to our daily chart. And so sorry, I forget to switch screen. I'm so happy sharing my stuff with you. Well, these are all the social media I'll be in, and the user ID is all Rainlim. This week there will be no midweek market analysis because I'm traveling. I want to travel light. I decided not to bring along my laptop. So I'll be doing a Clubhouse topic instead. I'll be sharing it once I've looked through. One of my students did a list of sharing of topics, and I'll find that it will really do her good, since she already put up the suggestion a couple of months ago. I think it's in April, let's look into it, and we'll do a vote in Telegram. Why not? Correct, and see what is the most popular option, and I will decide based on the vote. All right, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here on the daily chart. What we have based on structure-based trading, then 1759, very clean and clear cut resistance level, which I'll call it the key resistance level, and I want to do something about this, and I've just upgraded this to a royal blue setup, and with this meaning to say that they are pretty much good combination I can play with, and based on 4-hour chart, the completion of the shark pattern 1760. If we head back to our daily chart and see 1759 is just different by 0.3 pips, 0.3 pips difference. This could be really a great combo. All right, so reaching this, having a confirmation, I'll head in for a short for a trading setup that has royal blue or cyan, because cyan means to say that it looks something like this. All right, this is cyan. So cyan means to say that there is a trading opportunity once the market open. All right, so it's like instant, correct? And it could have a mixture of royal blue within it. That means a combo opportunity. And royal blue, it will just be as straightforward to tell you that there is a combo opportunity or a upsize trade management, which I'll talk more about it in coming videos. I'll create this new content to explain to you on various concepts. It'll be in Instagram Reels, and I will just extend to our podcast as well. All right, so 1 hour chart, this is what I have. Well, first up, the hot trades will be the butterfly pattern completing 1663 will be the price. I'm looking for a shorting opportunity. However, based on my experience, these might not work, and we might just have a bull flag, bull bet instead. If you have seen this black eclipse over here, this is the time and the period that the announcement of the passing of Queen Elizabeth II. And as you can see, I want to use this to share with you that not every time news like this will affect the market. Compare it with the passing of Steve Jobs. Apple shares drop, correct? And for Steve Jobs passing, it sounds a bit weird, but it is more expected compared to Queen Elizabeth, correct? Because there is no report and writing on that, and even on the same week, 2 days before her passing, she actually welcomed the new PM, correct? So even with that, well, this is debatable. You can debate on age and stuff like that, but even with that, my point is you won't see like crazy movement, and that is why I love about forex trading, correct? Yeah, that's pretty much I have for you today. If you're looking to learn more about trading and stuff like that, well, drop us a note. Till then, remember always play your trade and trade your plan. Take care.